Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to apply false lashes without seeing the band. This is super easy to do. I promise you it is. It's just as easy. Remember when I showed you guys how to use this Kiss Lash Glue Liner and I just popped them on? It's that easy, okay? But this is going to look so natural. So what you're going to want to do is you can get like short lashes, like individual lashes. If you want to do it that way, you can do it. Or you can get some lashes like these. Now these are brown wispy lashes, and we just want to put them on the end. And I think I'm going to cut those off. I'm going to look. I think I can do that. So one thing you want to remember is this. You don't want to get lashes like you could use, like, say your lashes are a little on the shorter side. Then you can actually use the ones on the inner corner, okay? Because we're not going to put these on the whole eye. We're just going to put it on the outside corner. That's all we're going to do, just to create that lift, okay? I'm going to curl my lashes too, by the way. And you can put your mascara on afterwards. I think I'm going to put some of it on before. But anyways, so if you have really long lash or you have short lashes, you don't want to have like this, you don't want it to look like that. You don't want it to look odd. So you want to make sure that whatever lashes you get or wherever you're cutting it off, it's going to blend with your own lashes. So let me curl my lashes really quick. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on, and I might do a little bit afterwards too. But I think this is better to put your mascara on first when you're using this, because we are going to be applying these under our lashes. We are not going to be applying them over our lashes, which normally when you apply false lashes, you put them on top, but this is a little different. And what you're going to need is you're going to need to get this. This is called false scira. So one side is a seal, one side is a bond. So this is the bonding side. We're going to use that first. And this is the seal side. Okay, see what that looks like? So again, we're going to put this underneath. I am going to use tweezers. Please be careful if you do this. If you have a shaky hand or anything, you want to get some tweezers that are plastic. They actually sell tweezers to apply your lashes that are, they're safer than this. This is what I'm going to use. I'm confident. Just use common sense, okay? So I'm going to take this one off here. This one right here. I'm going to take this off. And I am going to cut just a little bit off of the end. And I need to get my glasses because Mom can't see. I'm going to take off about right here. I'm just going to take off just a little bit. See that? I just took off the end a little bit, and I'm going to cut. There's a little bit of an excess of the band, okay? You want to make sure too that you get a band like this. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. See the way that band is? That's the kind of band you want. You don't want to try to do this with a thick band. It's not going to be comfortable. You are not even going to feel this. So I'm going to get my tweezers. I'm just going to put this down for a second. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to take this, and we're going to take the bond side. Okay, we're not going to brush this through our lashes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of, you're going to see, I'm going to coat the end where I'm going to apply this. I'm going to put it right there. Now you can put a whole lash on doing it this way, but you have to cut it up in sections. You can't just put a whole full lash on. You have to do it in sections. So I just like to do it just for the end here, okay? So I'm just putting it on like that. Okay. Now I'm going to take my lash and we're going to put it on underneath. So I'm going to take my lash, take my lash, and now I'm going to just put it right. It's going to be like it's magnetic. It's just going to stick. Okay. Now black would probably be a better color, but this is what I have. So I may actually have to put a little mascara on when it dries, just on the end, so it doesn't look like I have gray lashes. Because that's what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the seal side, and now I'm going to press it on there. That's all you do. That's it. I don't feel it. Doesn't feel uncomfortable. I'm gonna put some mascara on because otherwise I feel like it probably looks crazy. So I would take this off the same way I would take off my other lashes, by the way. So let me do the other side while that one dries, because I want to put mascara on because I want you to see what they both look like. But do you see how that gave me like a little bit more of a lift on the end as opposed to this other eye? Just that little bit there. Seriously, this is awesome. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to take off a little bit on the end. I'm going to hold it up this time so you can see. I'm just going to take off about right here. It's letting me do that. Okay. I thought I fell in my coffee at first. So we've got that little piece right there. Okay. Now, again, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to take my bond. I have worn these and I've never had my lashes pop off, but if you're afraid, you can just bring this with you in your bag, you know? But I've never had that happen. I mean, honestly, I've never had any of my lashes just pop off on me, ever, so. But it's nice because it looks real. It doesn't, you're not going to see a band if somebody's standing next to you or whatever. Like, you don't, there's no band. There's no band. And it's so comfortable, you don't even feel it. So I'm going to take this again, and we're going to pop it right there. Oh. Yeah, I should have used black lashes, but I didn't have any. I didn't really want to cut up my MAC lashes to do this. Okay, and then we're going to take the seal side. This is so easy, you guys. And then you're just putting it and you're just pressing it. Okay. Now when you take these off, it's the same way that you would take off your other lashes. You're not just going to rip them off. You're going to take your eye makeup remover, you're going to put it in there. You're just going to let it sit for a little bit. Just kind of let it marinate in there. Let it sit. And then you'll gently take it off and pull it off. But you are not going to, you should never, ever, ever do that, and do not sleep with these on. You should never sleep with false lashes on. Don't do it. No. Mm-mm. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some mascara on the end here because, like I said, if I was wearing black, I wouldn't have to do this. But I decided to use brown because that's what I had. Look at how it gave me a nice little lift there. I mean, look at that. Seriously. Super easy to do. Let me get the rest of my makeup on really quickly, and I'll be right back. See how you don't see a band? No band. And see how the length is good. Length is good, but I would not recommend using brown unless you're going to wear a brown mascara, because it's not going to work. I mean, it will work, but you have to put mascara, and I still feel like when I'm really, nobody's going to be that close to me, but really, really close. Well, it's actually pretty good. Just a little bit. I feel like I see a tiny bit of brown right there. Just tiny bit. It's a little bit lighter. Probably could put more mascara there. But it's just another way to apply lashes. So my two favorite things for lashes, I know a lot of people like the magnetic. This is what I don't like about the magnetic. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know what that does, like the magnetic, having that close to your eye. I don't know if that if you could have issues with that later. Okay, even the eyeliner, I don't know. I've used the eyeliner before, and I feel like when I was doing it and I was adjusting it, it was coming off and I had to reapply the liner. And then I don't like that the ones that I've seen are just like you have like the magnet, space, magnet, space, magnet, space, okay? And usually I have to trim lashes, so then I'm gonna cut it off where I probably need to have a magnet. So that's why I don't like magnetic lashes. I know a lot of people like them, but it's just not for me. It's just, I've tried it, I don't like them. But what the two things that I absolutely would recommend is the Kiss liner glue. This stuff is freaking amazing. I mean, if you love magnetic lashes, you'll love this because all you have to do, and I've shared a tutorial on it. This one looks like it, I don't know why it's got black on there. It must have black liner or whatever. But all you have to do, and I always store mine like this, by the way. Store it like that so the glue's there. So all you have to do is just line right above your lashes, like right there at your lash line. Pop your lash on. That's all you have to do. You don't have to sit there and let it dry and blow on your. No, you don't have to do any of it. This stuff is phenomenal. And I've never had my lashes pop off when I've worn this. But if you're worried about it, pop it in your purse, okay? I've never had that happen, just being honest. And this is called Falscara again. This is from Kiss Lashes again. This stuff is phenomenal. It's so comfortable to wear. I feel like it's almost more comfortable to wear when they're underneath. And you can do a whole strip, but you have to cut it apart if you do it. So you'd have to cut it in sections. I just personally like to have a little bit on my end because I just feel like it helps to lift my eye. And honey, I need that. You know what I'm saying? I need that at my age. So I don't feel like I need a whole strip, especially since my lashes are looking freaking amazing. And I don't even need to do this right now in the end. I feel like my lashes are really, really good right now. But I just want to share it with you. So this stuff is phenomenal, phenomenal. I will leave links below if you want to check it out. But definitely would recommend both. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. Did I just cut that? No, that must be from before. Because I'm like, I didn't even fucking cut it. Okay. Oh, that was good timing because it sounds like they're going to do yard work. Thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys. Why did I say guys? Okay.